future and it's bright. Nothing to fear, no one to fight. I can't believe we've come so far. Happily ever after, here we are. Once upon a time I thought I'd always be in my mother's shadow, answering for her crimes. I thought I'd always be in an endless battle, till I began to own a power all my own, that I could feel growing stronger every day. And now I save the world, not just that, the whole galaxy saved. We did it. Here we are in the future.
Tonight we're going to draw Steven's universe's lion.
Steven, I'm learning to play the bass.
Keep telling her it's
This
bass.
magical beast
Excuse me.
has all the capabilities of Rose Quartz
You're the boss.
after entrusting
Yes, I am.
most of its power to Lion. Basically, Lion is a passionate animal and a loyal friend of Steven. He's got sonic roaring, and he's got the ability to teleport. That was special of him. Well, also Lars has the capability as well. Basically,
Hey, buddy.
he's in debt to Steven and his
See
pals.
you at the concert tonight?
Wouldn't miss it for the world. Here we are. I saved your seat. Thanks, Garnet. Hey guys, what'd I miss? You're just in time for my favorite part of the story. Once upon a time,
And finished.
That's
how you draw Steven's lion.
Until the ruby rushed into hold her. Suddenly they were